Town, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibiro. Ibuhos ang talento at galing, wag magpatalo. Isa puso ang laro kung gusto mong ikay manalo. Tanghaling isa sa mga pinakamagagaling sa inyong lugar, ipakita ang dating. Ilabas ang angas at ang inyong tigas. Pagdating sa laro ay hindi umaatras. Patunayan sa Laguna na ikaw ang malakas. Abutin mo ang pangarap kahit gaano kataas. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga ng mga lihitimo, walang naiiba. Sigurado ang bakbakan, walang kaduda-duda. Sa larangan ng basketball kami ngayon bibida. Iba ang lakas ng mga tiga Laguna, palaban ay sipag lalo na sa disiplina. Gigil sa laro, alam mo na determinado, papalag kahit kanino kahit saan mo idayo. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Ibuhos ang talento at galing, wag magpatalo. Isa puso ang laro kung gusto mong ikay manalo. Tanghaling isa sa mga pinakamagagaling sa inyong lugar, ipakita ang dating. Ilabas ang angas at ang inyong tigas. Pagdating sa laro ay hindi umaatras. Patunayan sa Laguna na ikaw ang malakas. Abutin mo ang pangarap kahit gaano kataas. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Ibuhos ang talento at galing, wag magpatalo. Isa puso ang laro kung gusto mong ikay manalo. Tanghaling isa sa mga pinakamagagaling. Sa inyong lugar, ipakita ang dating. Ilabas ang angas at ang inyong tigas. Pagdating sa laro ay hindi umaatras. Patunayan sa Laguna na ikaw ang malakas. Abutin mo ang pangarap kahit gano'ng kataas. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga ng mga lihitimo, walang naiiba. Sigurado ang bakbakan, walang kaduda-duda. Sa larangan ng basketball kami ngayon bibida. Iba ang lakas ng mga tiga Laguna. Palaban ay sipag, lalo na sa disiplina. Higil sa laro, alam mo na determinado. Papalag kahit kanino, kahit saan mo idayo. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Ibuhos ang talento at galing, wag magpatalo. Isa puso ang laro kung gusto mong ikay manalo. Tanghaling isa sa mga pinakamagagaling. Sa inyong lugar, ipakita ang dating. Ilabas ang angas at ang inyong tigas. Pagdating sa laro ay hindi umaatras. Patunayan sa Laguna na ikaw ang malakas. Abutin mo ang pangarap kahit gano'ng kataas. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lihitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibira. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga ng mga lehitimo. Walang naiiba, sigurado ang bakbakan, walang kaduda.
start of our first game, Laguna Velvet Cup Intertown 20.1 division between Calamba Carabaos versus Los Baños Galleons. Let's hear the starting five for Calamba Carabaos. Wearing jersey number 4, Abby Felicia. Jersey number 24, Rog Eno. Jersey number 46, Rodolfo Alota. Jersey number 8, Kyle Diaz. And jersey number 2, Robert Nara. And here is starting five for Los Baños Galleons. Wearing jersey. Here is starting five for Los Baños Galleons. Jersey number 2, Emmanuel Pesigan. Jersey number 6, Christian Tamis. Jersey number 17, John William Wagen. Jersey number 24, Mark Tracy Putot. And jersey number 44, Christian Allen Lama.
Here we go para sa ating first game between Calamba Carabaos and Los Baños Galleons. Now, first possession makukuha dito ng Calamba. Magtibay, gives it.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Now, Dadang, pass to Nas. Underneath Mirabel.
10 seconds to
Now, Rog. And gets fouled
foul on jersey
by
number
number 6.
Christian Tamis.
That's
First
Palis.
First team foul.
First personal foul on Palis. Now, Dadang gives it to Magtibay. Hand up, Nas.
10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. Nas. Pull up jumper's good. Now Nas and Calamba Carabaos gets on the board. Now intercepted by Dadang. Back to Dadang, and that's a nice play by Calamba Carabaos. Now Allen Lakap attacks. Nice defense, but there's a foul.
There's a foul on jersey number 24, Rog Eno. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for
Now Lakap
Christian Allen Lama.
is on the line, 2 free throws. And gets the first one. Also gets a second. Now Los Baños Galleons also on the board. Now Dadang setting the play. Inok, pass to Dadang, Mirabel. Almost loses the ball.
10 seconds.
Shot clock winding down. Offensive rebound, Nas. Intercepted. Now there goes Pesigan pushing the ball. Nice pass, Buktot. Kick out. That's a turnover for Los Baños. There we go, Dadang. Mirabel on the post up. Mirabel pass to Palis. Now Tamis with a nice defense. Pesigan to Lakap, and Lakap skies for the layup. Here comes Calamba Carabaos. Inok, Magtibay. Gives it to Dadang. Swings the pass, Magtibay on 3. No good. Now, Dadang.
Out of bounds, ball on Los Baños Galleons.
Turnover para sa Calamba Carabaos. Now Tamis. Lakap. The pull-up. No good. Buktot for the offensive rebound and the basket. Here comes Dadang. Kick out. Rog on 3. And that's good. Rog Enoch knocks down the 3-pointer para dito sa Calamba Carabaos. Now there goes Los Baños. Pisigan setting the play. Guarded by Rocker Dadang.
10 seconds.
Pisigan the pull-up and it's good. Now Dadang. Nice. Pass back Tibay. But a block shot by Buktot. Paul Nas the inbounder para sa Calamba. Gives it to Magtibay. Now Dadang. Gives it to Heaven. Nas. Agawan ng bola. And we have a jump ball.
Los Baños Stallions ball.
Ball possession mapupunta dito sa Los Baños. Now Pisigan has the ball. Gives it to Tamis. Tamis versus Nas. Pull up. Another miss. Now Dadang pushing. Dadang. Nice pass to Heaven Magtibay. Another assist coming from Rocker Dadang. Now Pisigan.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Out of bounds but the same ball possession. 10 seconds on the shot clock para dito sa Los Baños Galleons. Now Tamis. Rocker Dadang with the top. Same ball.
4 seconds.
Shot clock winding down with 4 seconds to shoot. Here comes Pisigan. Nice assist again for the Heaven Magtibay layup. Here comes Pisigan. Wagan passes on to Lakap. Back to Pisigan, who launches the 3. That's a miss. Buktot, offensive board. Now Pisigan, another steal. Now Calamba Carabaos with the fast break points again. Coming from Heaven Magtibay with the back-to-back basket. Tamis gives it to John Wagan. Now Wagan, and that's a block by Mirabel.
Save on 13 seconds to shoot. Substitution.
We have a substitution for Calamba. Correction for Los Baños Galleons. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Now Tamis with the inbound. Another block shot. Nice defense by Calamba Carabaos.
Substitution.
Wagas back on the floor. Para sa Los Baños. Now Lakap launches. That's an air ball. And we have now Nas. Has the ball. Gives it to Mirabel. Magtibay. Rog on the post up against Livorno. Mirabel. Bullet pass. But that was pass too strong. Another turnover for Calamba. Now here comes Salazar on the floor. Livorno, 10 seconds to shoot. Salazar, lock up. Free throw jumper, no good. Now Heaven pushing. Finds Mirabel, and Mirabel on the other end. With 3 minutes and 40 seconds here in the first period. Now Salazar finds Livorno. That's a strip. Rocardada again. Heaven Magtibay. Now here comes Los Baños. And that's another turnover. Lots of turnover para dito sa Los Baños Galleons. Nakakalayo-layo na dito ang Calamba Carabaos with 17-8. Now Salazar gives to Reyes.
Shot clock 10 seconds.
Salazar finding his teammates. Shot clock winding down. Finds Reyes. Launches. No good. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. We have a substitution. "14 seconds to shoot for Los Baños. Now Lakap attacks. Lakap with the left hand, no good. So Lasco the rebound. Now Navasero. Too strong. Now Livorno tries the three, and that's good for Livorno. Cutting the lead to just 6 points.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Now Navasero gives to Guevara. We have a foul. That's an offensive
Offensive foul
on Rodolfo Alota.
Rodolfo Alota. First personal foul, second team foul.
That's another foul
Another foul on jersey number 46, Rodolfo Alota.
on
Second
Alota. That's his second.
third team foul.
Alota is not. That's his second personal. Kakapasok pa lang nito ni Rodolfo Alota. Pero nakapag-commit ng dalawang foul. Now Calamba Carabaos intercepted. Ventura launches. No good. Salazar with the rebound. Now here comes Los Baños. Livorno on the other end. Now finds Lakap. Nice transition play coming from Los Baños. With 1 minute remaining. Now we have a holding foul will be called on Reyes.
Foul on jersey number 74, Marcus Reyes. First personal foul, second team foul, substitution.
Now with 16 seconds on the shot clock. Now Navasero gives it to Ventura. Now Guevara, nice defense. Another block shot coming from Los Baños. Now here comes the Galleons. Wagan.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Lakap again, attacks from the baseline. Nice defense from Guevara. Now Guevara has the ball, finds Diaz.
On Diaz.
30 seconds. Now with 27 seconds remaining here. Let's see what Los Baños will do. In this possession now, Salazar. Laga finds Salazar and gets the foul.
Foul on jersey number 14.
That's on Guevara.
First personal foul. Warning or penalty. 2 shots for James Matthew Salazar.
And Salazar gets the first free throw. And gets the second. 17 seconds remaining.
15 seconds remaining.
Now 10 seconds, Diaz. Navasero gives it to Ventura. Now Solasco using the board. Salazar. That's it para sa ating first quarter. Our score is 25-15. 6-point lead
21-15.
by Calamba Carabaos. Babalik ang Velvet South Basketball. Now here we go para sa ating second quarter. Calamba Carabaos with a 6-point lead. After the first quarter. Now let's see what Los Baños takes on the second quarter.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Now Livorno
And the shoot.
gives it to Salazar. Back to Livorno. Livorno. Fade away jumper is good. Lander Guevara gives to Navasero. Ventura. Solasco on the post-up. There's a foul.
Foul on jersey number 24.
That's on Buktot.
Buktot first personal foul, first team foul.
Here goes Navasero again. Finds Diaz on 3. Now Livorno pushing the ball. Tamis, the pull-up. And that's good. Now here comes the Calamba Carabaos. Diaz
Shot clock 10 seconds.
finds Ventura. Corner 3. Solasco the rebound. We have another foul
There's a foul on jersey
coming from Buktot.
second personal foul, second team foul.
Now Solasco on the line. Gets the first free throw. Makes the second. We have a substitution coming from Los Baños. Buktot checks out with 2 personal fouls. And that's a steal, Abacero. Now Solasco taps by the Borneo. Same ball possession. Calamba Carabaos. Ventura. Navasero gives it to Diaz. Now Diaz. Shot lang winding down. Navasero. Emergency pass. Nice. Block. Coming from Lebornio. Lots of turnovers again para dito sa Los Baños Galleons. Now Navasero. Finds Ventura on 3. Another steal. Lander attacking. No good. Now Salazar has the ball. Livorno. Reyes. Back to Livorno. No good. Now Lander Rivera. Another steal. Camis. Out of bounds. We have a substitution. Dadang checks in for Navasero. Tamis. Salazar. Shot clock winding down. That's a backward violation. Now Calamba with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Diaz. Again, Solasco inside. Using his body. Reyes, Livorno. Salazar, cross-court pass. Reyes on 3. No good, lack up. The steal. Dadang pushing the ball. Dadang tapikan ng bola. We have a whistle. That's an offensive foul on Rocker Dadang. Now we see Livorno. No good. Again, Dadang has the ball. Dadang makes his move. A nice pass on to Braille Diaz. Nice alley-oop play. Almost a steal. Lakap recovers the ball. Now Tamis. Livorno. We have another foul. That's on Solasco. That's his first personal foul.
Again, a very good afternoon, everyone. And as we go on with our games, or a game between Los Baños and Calamba, we can see that on the side of Calamba, we have Heaven Magtibay currently leading the team to their 7-point lead against Los Baños. So Heaven Magtibay so far has 8 points for first half. And we can now see that he's already deployed inside. Also for the second quarter for this battle of Calamba versus Calamba against Los Baños. So Heaven Magtibay is scoring 8 points already during this first half. And meanwhile, for the side of Los Baños, we have Christian Allen Lakap leading that team to, somehow narrow the lead of Calamba against Los Baños. So let's see how Allen Lakap will lead his team to somehow cut down the lead of Calamba, so far enjoying a 7-point lead against Los Baños.
Now we are here with 5 minutes and 35 seconds. That's Chard Umali para sa ating game analysis. Now Magtibay again scores para sa Kalamba Carabaos. Rocker Dadang again, fake pass, launches the three and knocks it down. Courtesy of Rocker Dadang from top of the key. Now Salazar calling for the play. Reyes gives it to Livorno. Back to Salazar. And now setting for Reyes. Shot clock winding down. Lakap in and out. Now the pass break. Intercepted. Now Lakap has the ball. Reyes finds Salazar. That's out of bounds. Balik sa Kalamba Carabaos ang bola. Now Kalamba. Again, the pass break. And Solasco. Correction, that's Mirabel. And Lakap gets the basket plus the foul.
Christian Lahab. Foul on your seat number 4, Galicia. Second personal foul, warning for penalty substitution.
Nice move coming from Krishna Lakap. Now completes the three-point play. Lakap using his body and completes the three-point play. Now Galicia gives it to Nas. Floater no good. Now Livorno tries to pass on to Lakap. Too strong. Now Magtibay with a fake pass, but that's a traveling violation. Now Livorno passes on to Tamis. Again, Lakap gets another foul.
Foul on your seat number 23, Von Nas.
That's coming from Nas.
Foul penalty. 2 shots for Christian Lahab.
And Lakap gets the first free throw. Also makes the second. Now we have a substitution. Wagan and Pesigan checks in for Tamis and Reyes. Now Dadang making his move. Intercepted. Now Pesigan. Lakap. Zigzagging his move. No good. Nas. Here comes Kalamba. And Heaven Magtibay for the easy basket. Now Lakap gets dropped. And we have a jump ball situation.
Safe ball. 14 seconds shot clock.
And 14 seconds on the shot clock for Los Baños. Another steal. Magtibay. Nice read by Salazar. Now Salazar gives it to Livorno. Livorno using the glass.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Dadang gives it. Nas inside. Gets the basket plus the foul.
Basket count 1 Nas. Foul on your seat number 27, Livorno. First personal foul, third team foul.
Nas with a nice fake against two defenders and completes the three-point play. Here comes Wagan. And gets stopped by Dadang. Same ball possession. With 2 minutes remaining here in the second quarter. Calamba Carabaos up by 8. 37-29. Here comes Salazar. The pull-up is good. Now here comes Rocker Dadang again.
15 seconds.
Back to Dadang. Too strong. There goes Salazar again. Wagan gives to Lakap.
15 seconds.
Now Wagan with a nice fake and the pull-up. Heaven Magtibay again pushing the ball. Finds Mirabel. And Mirabel gets the reverse. Napisiga and a steal by Javi. Finds Dadang on the fast break. Of the assist coming from Galicia. 40 seconds remaining. Awagan gives Salazar inside pass. Pesigan, no good. Now Rocker Dadang. Another steal. Pesigan. Nice defense. And another transition. Fast break. Magtibay.
10 seconds.
5 seconds. And that's it para sa ating first half.
The second quarter score.
43-31, 12-point lead by Calamba Carabaos. Magbabalik ang Velvet South Basketball para sa ating halftime break.
And this is the start of our third quarter. This is still The battle between Calamba and Los Baños, and now Calamba is now securing a big 12-point lead against Los Baños, with Heaven Magtibay still taking the lead for with Heaven Magtibay leading the team of Calamba into this wide lead against Los Baños. So just a quick recap of what happened during that first half. And Calamba leading all throughout that first half when it comes to rebounds, assists, steals, and blocks. So far, 16 rebounds for Calamba against the 13 rebounds by Los Baños. And so far on the 3-point area, 29% success for Calamba with those 2 3-point shots out of 7, making it a goal. So let's see how Los Baños will try to answer, or will try to respond to that run by Calamba on that first half, and eventually cut down the lead of Calamba, which is now up by 17 at the start of our third quarter.
And we are now back. Thank you, Sir Chard, para sa ating game analysis para sa ating second quarter. Now, Calamba Carabaos was up by 19 points. Lumulobo na dito ang kalamangan ng Calamba Carabaos. And Borneo knocks down the 3. Now again, Los Baños with the defense. Now Reyes attacks baseline. Nice vertical defense coming from Mirabel. And Paul Nas on the other end for the easy basket. And another steal, Mirabel finds Balag. No good. Balag again. Mirabel under the basket. And there goes another steal. Now Nas. Kick out Balag. Masyadong malakas ang pasa. We have a timeout. Coming from Los Baños in the third quarter with 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Magbabalik ang Velvet South Basketball.
We're back after the timeout of Los Baños Scallions. Speaking of Los Baños Scallions, Christian Lacop leading his team on this ball game with 13 points so far for the first half of our ball game. So we're now down to our under 7 minutes of our third quarter, and Christian Lacap with 13 points so far for the game, followed by Clement Liborno closely by 11 points so far. And for our rebounds, Mark Tracy Buktot is leading that team with 3 rebounds so far, together with Jim Matthew Salazar and Clement Liborno, which also has 3 rebounds for this ball game. So let's see what will be their strategy to somehow cut down the lead of Calambao. Is now enjoying a 22-point lead against their team and eventually take this ball game as their first victory for our Velvet Laguna Cup. So let's see how Calamba Carabao will prevent Los Baños also from cutting down their lead and eventually taking this victory
Shot clock 15 seconds.
for the ball game.
And now we see Calamba extending the lead, 56-34. Dito pa rin tayo sa ating third quarter with 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. I would say ball possession, 13 seconds on the clock.
Eddie. Shot clock 10 seconds. On the shot clock. John Pugoy, 3.
Now we see Pugoy knocks down the 3 for the Carabaos. And Allen Lacap can secure the pass. Now Balag magtatawid ng bola para dito sa Calamba. Gives it to Pugoy, and Pugoy the pull-up air ball. Lander Guevara checks in para sa Carabaos. Pagpapahinga hindi doon ni Coach Joven. Si Nas. Now Reyes. Nakaback to Salazar.
15 seconds.
And Reyes. Wing 3-pointer. That's good. Balag and Guevara. No good. Another miss. Alota. The putback is good. And now, Los Baños. Turnover again. Pugoy attacks and gets the layup.
Traveling violation.
That's a traveling violation. Now Balag, top of the key 3-pointer, in and out. Liborno with the rebound. Laga finds Reyes again. Short jumper. No good. Here comes Balag. Now Rodolfo. No good. Reyes with the rebound. Now here comes the Los Baños. Lebornio, the scoop shot. And Balag. Transition 3-on-1. Pugoy no good. But we have a foul.
Foul on jersey number 10.
That's on Balag.
First personal foul, first team foul substitution.
Now we see Reyes. And Salazar. Nice block by Solasco.
Save on 13 on the shot clock.
With 13 seconds to shoot. Borneo the inbound. Salazar. Now Reyes launches, no good. Dadang, the fast break, Pogoy, baseline. 65-37. Los Baños can't find the answer. Now Wagan, the fake pass to the Borneo. Out of bounds, save ball possession with 12 seconds to shoot. Now Leborneo. Again, Reyes. Inside Leborneo, no good. Kalampa again, pass break points. And Lander Guevara gets the layup. Another steal. Now Dadang pushing. Bounce pass, Mirabel. Nathaniel Solasco, the reverse. That's a backward violation. For Los Baños, balik sa Kalamba ang bola. With 14 seconds to shoot. And now Dadang. Enoch. Kick out. Solasco again. Here comes Wagan. But that's a foul.
Foul on jersey number 20, Pugoy. First personal foul, second team foul substitution.
And now Salazar gives it to Reyes.
15 on the shot clock.
Now Buktot. Free throw jumper. Air ball. And now Enoch finds Pogoy. Yes, sir! Three-pointer para dito kay John Pogoy. Coming off the bench ng Kalamba Carabaos. So Lasco back to Pogoy. Finds Lander Guevara on the other end for the easy deuce.
35 seconds.
And another steal. Lander Guevara takes it in. Twenty seconds remaining. And now John Wagan. Another missed shot.
7 seconds remaining.
Now Pisigan again. No good. 2 seconds. And that's it para sa ating third quarter. Our score 76-37. Labang pa rin ang Kalamba Carabaos. Babalik ang Velvet South Basketball. We are back para sa ating last and final quarter. Tingnan natin kung kaya pang may baba ng Los Baños and make a comeback against Calamba Carabaos. Eleven seconds on the shot clock para sa Los Baños. Wagan the inbounder, finds Pesigan, top of the key, three-pointer, too strong. Apikan ng bola, now Navasero has the ball. Now pushing, behind the back pass, Ventura. We have a foul. Again on Buktot. Buktot with his third personal foul. And now Mirabel, baseline jumper, no good. Diaz, the offensive board, back to Mirabel. With 10 seconds to shoot, now Diaz has the launch and knocks down by Diaz, the corner three. Here comes Diaz. Gives to Mirabel. Now Ventura on the corner. Finds Brian Diaz. Skies for the alley-oop play. Nice pass coming from Ventura. Now Lepornio. The floater no good. Navasero again running for Calamba Carabaos. And that's a reverse for Ventura. And Buktot on the other end answers with an easy basket. There goes Diaz, gives to Mirabel. That's a kick ball. Now we have a timeout coming from Calamba Carabaos. 8 minutes and 12 seconds. Magbabalik ang Velvet South Basketball. Now we are back. Now Lepornio still the ball. Out of bounds, but same ball possession. 14 seconds. Now Wagan. 10 seconds. With 5 seconds. Now Buktot finds Lepornio. No good. Lepornio again inside. Mirabel grabs the rebound. And another fast break. Finds Ventura. And inside pass. And Salazar steals the ball. Out of bounds, last touch by Navasero, same ball. Now Reyes, no good. Diaz. 4-on-1. Ventura. Navasero. Another miss. And Mirabel.
Fouling jersey number 17, Wagan.
That's a sorry miss for Ventura.
Now second team foul. 2 shots for Ante Mirabel.
Now Mirabel is on the line. And gets the first one. Second shot for Mirabel. That's good. 4-2 on the line. And here comes Salazar. Finds Lebornio. Now Buktot kick out Salazar. Reyes. That's good. Reyes with a 3-pointer para sa Los Baños. Diaz, no good. Ventura, Alota. We have a pushing foul coming from Diaz.
Personal foul, first team foul.
And here go Reyes.
15 on the shot.
Salazar. Reyes, corner. Air ball. And Ventura gets fouled by Wagan.
Fouling jersey number 17, Wagan. Second personal foul.
We have a substitution.
Substitution.
And Ventura knocks down the first free throw. And also the second. 89-42 is our score. Kalambaka Arbas with a nice defense. And dunks down. Wagan. From the corner 3. Now Mirabel. Another steal. Salazar gives it to John Wagan. Fast break. Nice pass. Finding Reyes.
Marcus Reyes.
Nice transition play coming from Los Baños. Ventura wide open. Corner. Connects. Sean Ventura. Again, John Wagan on the other end for the reverse and gets the deuce. Now here comes Balag. 10 seconds to shoot. Ventura fires again. Yes, sir! Back-to-back threes para din sa Kalambaka Carabaos. And now we have a substitution. Now here comes Reyes. Reyes top of the key. Now Wagan attacks inside. The layup is good. Now Balag on the ladder. Guarded by Wagan. Balag attacking inside. Also gets the deuce. And Wagan, corner 3, no good. A fast break. Nas for the easy basket. 99 to 51. The defense of Calamba Carabaos all the way from first quarter up here in the fourth quarter. And now, Pugoy, another miss. Buktot the rebound. Gives it to Wagan. And now Wagan gets fouled by Pugoy. Ladar Guevara checks in para dito kay Alota. Wagan misses the first free throw. And misses also the second. Now here comes Nas. Nas passes on to Solasco. Waiting from the baseline, and we have a timeout. Coming from Los Baños, 2 minutes and 41 seconds. Magbabalik ang Velvet South Basketball. We are back to the ball game. Now Lebornio has to fire. Nathaniel with the rebound. We have a foul by Lebornio. And we have another foul. And that's a penalty situation for Los Baños. Now Lebornio launches the three. No good. And we have another foul coming from Lebornio. Lebornio with a third personal foul. Sending Pugoy on the line. Two for two para dito kay Pugoy. Now, Buktot with the basket.
Warning for Bradley penalty.
Now Reyes with the basket. And we have another foul. That's a foul game. 105 to 57.
Second personal foul penalty.
Now Buktot with the basket. Fast break. Balag with the basket. We have a steal. And Paul Nas. Now Buktot with the easy basket for Los Baños. We have another foul coming from Livorno.
Penalty. Livorno forward personal foul.
Last 1 minute. Here sa ating first game. Now Calamba Carabao is burning the clock. So Lasco connects on the three.
Timeout, Los Baños.
We have a timeout for Los Baños. 27 seconds remaining. Magbabalik ang Velvet South Basketball. So Lasco, no good. Last 10 seconds.
Foul on jersey number 20. Salazar, second personal foul.
That's a foul on Salazar. 8 seconds on the game clock. Miss. The foul on Livorno. Livorno is fouled out. Four seconds.
3 seconds.
That's it. Para sa ating first game, 116-61. Calamba Carabaos takes on the big win against Los Baños. And Heaven Magtibay para sa ating best player of the game from Calamba Carabaos. Stay tuned para sa ating second game between GJC Ballers Bayan ng Bay and Santa Rosa Juana Playa.
Inuulit ko po, yung mga voting po na naglaro, parating malinis.
afternoon, everybody. What a good start to start the game against Calamba, against Los Baños. Once again, I am Shekinah Shelshire, courtside reporter. I am here together with the best player, jersey number 27, Magtibay. Ano pong mga preparations ang ginawa nyo against Los Baños?
Halos pinagandaan po talaga namin yung larong po ngayon. Gawa ng 3 beses po kami natalo eh. Kaya kailangan po namin talaga manalo ngayon.
Ano mga ginawa nyong inspirations nanggaling na sa'yo? Nagkaroon kayo ng 3 talo. Anong mga ginawa nyong inspirations and turnovers para makabawi sa mga next games nyo?
Ano lang po, ginawa naming inspiration ba para ano po sa amin ay yung pamilya po namin na pati mga nanonood po sa Calamba.
Maraming salamat po. On the other side, ang head coach po ng Calamba, Carabaos. Coach, nabanggit po ng inyong best player. Nagkaroon po kayo ng 3 losses regarding with all your games. Sa mga players niyo po, ano pong main na pinatatatak niyo sa isip nila para magkaroon sila ng inspiration to get back on their feet and to fight for more?
Yun nga, considering na napakaganda na yung lineup namin. Ngayong season na to, sabi nga namin, we have the most talented lineup so far sa amin, sa Calamba, itong sa Intertown na to. So we need to capitalize yung talents na meron yung team. Yes, it is so frustrating kasi ngayon lang sa amin nangyari to na 3 losing streak and yet alam naman namin yung kayang ibigay ng team. Yun nga lang, medyo hindi kami madalas mabuo sa ensayo kasi nga may mga ganap sa buhay yung mga bata, school, personal na buhay. But it's not an excuse para hindi namin ibigay pa rin yung best. Considering, again, talented yung lineup, so yun yung kinapitalize namin kanina. Niremind ko lang yung mga bata kanina, sabi ko, I want a show sa game. I want a show. Show in a sense na hindi palabas, pero yung ipakita kung ano yung kaya nilang gawin. Individually, na matranslate namin sa panalo ng team. So, sana mabaon namin sa mga susunod na laro.
I'm so amazed po sa inyong thought regarding with your team. And narinig ko nga din po, last season kayo po ang defending champion. And ano pong mga expectations nyo sa mga susunod nyo pong games and preparations also?
Well, expecting for more intense na game. Mabigay ng makontribute ng lahat, yung dapat na i-contribute. At wag nilang kalimutan, wag lang bitawan yung purpose kung bakit kami nandito. Hindi kami sumali dito para maglaro lang ng basketball. Sumali kami dito para makapag-contribute ng inspirasyon sa marami. Unang-una, sabi mo nga, defending champion kami. So kailangan pa panindigan at pangatawanan namin yung naibigay sa amin tatak sa last season. So,
Maraming salamat po. May gusto po ba kayo shoutout who's currently watching our live and supported you all throughout the game?
okay, of course, yung family ko, yung community ng WCA Travel, at yung mga supporters namin at naniniwala pa sa amin, sa Calamba. Maraming po salamat.
Kayo po, may gusto po ba kayo shoutout who's currently watching our live and supported you all throughout the game as our best player?
Ano po sa family sa family ko lang po, pati sa Dalit family, pati kay Ma'am Ikay, sa mga panelists po kanina, nag-defense po kami. Salamat po.
Maraming salamat po. Congratulations, Calamba, for winning today's game. And congratulations, Mr. Magtibay, for being our best player. So guys, do defense and go all out. Once again, I'm Shekinah Shelshire, courtside reporter. We'll be back for more games. Back to you guys.